In the state of Florida, there are a lot of people driving around that do not have auto insurance. And while we all know you have to have auto insurance on the vehicle that you're driving, if someone goes in and they buy an insurance card and they just stop making the monthly payments for their insurance, that insurance is lapsed and they have no coverage. And that's going to be a big problem for you if you're the person that they run into or cause an accident with. What's very important is to understand if the other person has no insurance, you are then going to have to resort to using your own insurance to make your claim. And it's important to understand what your insurance has in there. I would always tell people you should have rental car coverage on your own insurance, because if you're without a car and you need to get to the job, you would hope that you can use your insurance to pay for that rental car. You want to make sure you have comprehensive and collision, which means that if someone else hits your car and they don't have insurance coverage, your car's not just sitting in the shop or sitting in a tow yard waiting to get picked up and you have to pay money out of your pocket to get it. Even worse, what if your car's totaled and sitting in a junkyard and you still owe $20,000 on that vehicle and the guy who hit you has no coverage? In this case, you'd be able to use your own insurance coverage to pay off that $20,000 loan or to pay you if you don't have a loan on that vehicle. Extremely important to make sure that you understand your own auto insurance coverage, because it is very likely that you're going to have an accident and that person on the other side is not going to have any insurance coverage, or they could have minimal insurance coverage, which still does not pay you for injuries, medical bills, again, even property damage. So understand your insurance policy, get as much of the coverage which you can afford to get, and make sure that you're covered, because unfortunately, you're gonna have an auto accident and you're gonna need to use it. I'm Scott Sobel, I'm a personal injury attorney. If you have any questions about what kind of insurance, how much insurance, things like that, or anything else regarding an auto accident, call me.